What it do, YouTube? We back in the wheel. We're back. We're back in the C300, that Mercedes Benzo. I'm not your friend though. He just got done shooting a shot, I bet. I ain't gonna lie, I miss y'all, man. I know. Every time I come back, I say I miss y'all, but I truly miss y'all. Boy, I just been busy and just trying to get all the content out as possible, and I, been neglecting the car rides. You feel me? I've been neglecting. That's my bad. I almost neglect y'all today, and I said, you know what? Why not? Like, why not? In honor of Westbrook, why not? Hey, congratulations, Russell Westbrook, on an amazing career while I'm at it. But yeah, why not going to spark up something? Pretty soon I'll go back live in the wheel. Don't know when. Don't want to put a date on it, but hopefully soon, real soon, soon enough. I just gotta check my schedule on stuff, and we're gonna get right. We're gonna get right. Might even do the whole thing in Sports Plus mode, or I customize it. Customize my whip finally. Make the perfect driving. But hey, everything been going good. I'm blessed. Very fortunate. Thank God. You know how sometimes you be struggling and it's like, dang, what is my next move? But you already prepared your next move for those struggle times and you forgot, because it's like out of sight, out of mind. That's what it was. It was like, dang, I really do got this stashed away. That day, I looked at how much I had stashed away. I said, God dang, I'm proud of myself. So, it's like, dang, I needed something to come in and I already got it. So, sometimes you be like looking for God to bless you. And he said, hey, he already prepared you for this. Like, he prepared you for times like this, to shine like this. I mean, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, sometimes, you forget you prepare yourself for moments, and then the moment come, it's there for you. So I appreciate God for even putting me in a position to even save myself through him. Some people be looking for a blessing from an outer source. And sometimes you can bless yourself. So, hey, you just gotta stay humble and keep moving. What is this? I'm thinking about it. I gotta edit one vlog. I had an idea for it. I'm not sure when it's gonna come. It's gonna come out either right before this video or right after. But I had an idea. I didn't get to do it to the fullest, mainly because the environment I was in while doing it. But I was successfully able to do something with what I planned on it. So I'll probably just change the title I was going to name it and still center around that. But yeah, just a good outing. You feel what I'm saying? I think I got enough content from the 2 days. I was wanting to go out today to finish up, but I didn't want to go alone, if that makes sense. All right, I need to get to the point where I'm cool going out by myself. I would be cool going out by myself if I had a cameraman. If I had a cameraman and I ain't had to hold the camera myself, I would be cool with going by myself. But it's like I'm holding the camera. If something go off, you feel what I'm saying? It's like, are they gonna get me time to pull up my camera? Like, hold on, but we fight. Can I put my camera back in the bag? Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, we gonna do something with it. If it ain't enough, I'ma hold off to it and just add it to another video. It's gonna be like a continuation, and I'm gonna get the clips I need. You feel me? And I can go back to the old title. If not, on my next video, I'm gonna do the old title I wanted to use. And it's just gonna be a follow-up of this. And it's like, oh, this was like the test run to get to the next video. So yeah. That's the next move. That's the next move. I really should have went out today, but it was too far. I didn't want to go out, and I was too tired to be out by myself. Like, I needed somebody to give me, you feel me, energy. But, you know, I'm not saying I won't go out by myself. I have. But it's like, the type of content I'm trying to make, you just never know, you know, how it might go. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I ain't had no issues yet, but you just never know. You never know who just want to seem like they that guy, you know, try to be rah-rah in front of the women. And it's like, oh, he got a camera. Show out. I hope he posts all this. Like, man, chill out. Chill out. Oh, God. But, yeah, I'm blessed God never put me in a position where I had to deal with. Low key was, I don't know, it was one guy. Not last time, but it was, like, it's this place, Blind Barber. And they got a pool table in there. And people be actually playing pool in the club. And I don't know, the guy thought I was disrespecting a woman or whatever. But I really didn't move after he said something either. But there was some girls twerking next to me. Not, you feel me? The girl who was playing pool was, hey, and then tapped me on the shoulder and didn't say nothing. Just tapped me on the shoulder. So I looked at her. She didn't say nothing. I turned back, doing what I'm doing. So the guy came over 30 seconds like, hey, we trying to play pool. Man, so? I took just a slight step over and I ain't moved. Like, man, fuck y'all, man. Hey, why y'all playing pool anyway in a packed club and think y'all supposed to have space to play? And it was kind of funny. The girls who was twerking was more in the way than I was. And it was like, hey, why you don't want to interrupt their fun, but you want me to move out the way because they in your, hey, man. Hey, man, say, man, hey, what you trying to do, man? I got that. Boy, luckily I wasn't. And on that day, I was up for 24 hours. So I ain't had no sleep, so I wasn't in the mood to fight, so it would have probably went on GTA, a different direction. So, but yeah, that day I was real irritated. Like, what? Yo, guy, it was a nigga shooting, I wouldn't move out of the way, but because it was for the girl, I was like, I took a slight step over. Probably like 2 inches. Like, I didn't even do a whole, nah, you ain't getting all that down. Y'all doing too much. Pull out the pool sticks, guys. It is free pool. It ain't like I had to pay for it. Like, chill out. Go to a pool hall if y'all really want to play pool. Y'all be wanting to look cool and stuff at the, man, move y'all goofy asses on. Somebody smack y'all. I'm just playing, man. I'm just playing. Unless somebody try me. But yeah, man, I'm just yapping, I'm chatting. And that what Duke say, that call hard on the low. Yeah, just chatting. I was supposed to live stream day too, and I overslept. Well, I'm really been tired the past 2 weeks. And that being up for 24, I still ain't recovered from it. I took 2 naps today. I'm like, for real. And it was kind of a blessing I overslept the second nap, because I probably wouldn't know I had to do a reaction out already. But the reaction came out at the same time I was planning on doing my live stream. So I probably wouldn't have looked at YouTube to know the video came out to do the reaction. So I'm gonna definitely go live tomorrow, desktop. And then, you know, one day soon get back in the whip, ride around, listen to some good music. Dang, I ain't gonna lie, Taco Bell, all these places started opening up later now. Like Taco Bell, I think they in competition with Cookout. They don't close like 3 a.m. McDonald's is, I'm not sure if they changed it, but they was 24 hours, 5 days out of the week. Only days they wasn't was Sunday and Mondays, but they picked back up Tuesdays. So I think they just didn't close on Monday nights, but they closed early on. Maybe it was 24 hours, 6. Well, Monday won't be 24 hours because they opened up at 5 or 4. So they closed at 11, I think, where it was. But they might have changed it back to 24/7. But they had to. Cookout was killing them being open till 4 o'clock in the morning on the weekend. They like, nope, 24 hours. We're going to do it 5 days starting off. Man, hey, I appreciate y'all joining me for this ride, though, man. It ain't too much. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe, and I'm going to catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.